Psychology is the combination of two words, psyche and the logy. Psyche means the mind and the logy means to study. It means that the psychology means the study of mind. Or it is a scientific study of human behavior and mental process. And it's also called that it is a social science of human behavior and its interaction within the environment. There are the limitations of the scope of the field, yet psychology has made significant advances by focusing its core goals. Now let's come to my presentation topic, goals of psychology. They are there to describe, explain and predict the human behavior and mental process. There are four goals of psychology. The first one is description, second one is explanation, third is prediction, and finally is changing behavior. Now let me explain first one, the description. By describing behavior, psychologists attempt to understand that what is normal and unhealthy or what is acceptable. Behavior observed includes thoughts, emotions, feelings, attitudes, actions and also reactions. Psychologists understand human behavior through various methods such as case studies, observation, surveys, testing and also correlational studies. Now let's come to the second point, that second goal is explanation. There it is that causes of behavior. The psychologists attempt to explain behavior. Means psychologists integrate the observation and then develop theories about the cases of behavior. Means here they are develop theories. In first goal they are understand the behavior, and here they are develop theories about the cases of those behaviors. Now explanation is often determined by qualitative or quantitative observation. Now let's come to the third goal, prediction. Here it is that forecasting behavior accurately. Let me explain first that the term is forecasting. It is very necessary to understand that what is forecasting. Forecasting is a process in which we take past data to determine future events. I repeat that in this process we take past data to determine future events. Now the prediction. Psychologists attempt to predict behavior. The purpose of prediction is to know that how an individual, when an individual will make healthy or unhealthy choices, or how an individual will react within the environment. Now finally, the changing behavior. It's also called the control or change. Here is that influence or control behavior in helpful ways. Through psychology helps us to understand the behavior and reasons behind it. Ultimately, it is understood that why unhealthy behaviors are practiced, so that we can modify and change it for the healthy outcome occurs. I have an example of our teacher that through goals we can know about the people. Now, when we are in first year, Sir Mumtaz describe our behavior, that how we are act in our department and how we are react with our friends or anything else. Then he time to time explain our behavior, and then he predicts our behavior through forecasting method. He use our past data in which he know that what we are doing in past, and then he finally determine the future event, and now he want to change our behavior through this type of method. And finally, you are all aware that we are much confident for the presenting anything because of the fact that all about the presentation. I think you are